Have you ever had the hiccups that just wouldn't stop? Imagine if they lasted for days, weeks, or even years. This is called intractable hiccups, and it's rare but real. These hiccups last more than 48 hours and can be caused by irritated nerves controlling your diaphragm. It can happen due to things like acid reflux, strokes, or even emotional stress. Doctors use treatments from medication to nerve blocks depending on the cause. Got hiccups that won't stop? Time to see a doctor. Hiccups are usually harmless, but if they hang around, get checked out.